Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear shock bushing, because this one I had a problem with the bushing because it is torn and it keeps spinning all the time. Right there, that's the bushing. It's broken and it keeps spinning all the time, so I had to replace it. So you want to remove the upper control arm too, because it's gonna buy you some more room. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out to grow this channel, and I really appreciate that if you do that. And next, you can use the air hammer with a sharp chisel. You can see right there I am a little bit struggling with that, but it will come out. So I had to cut a slit on that bushing race right there. So I had to cut it to release the pressure. Then you're gonna use the air hammer, just hammer it out, because that thing is aluminum. It is not a metal, so it's easy to grind it out. Cut a slit and make sure you put a new one in. Make sure you put a some lube on that thing, on that bushing. And by the way, if you have any question, I also have a Q&A I host every week. Please join me this free Q&A. I will answer all of your questions regarding about your car or your car repair or any kind of car concern you might have. The link is down in the link is down in the description. Please hit the link and it will show you how to sign it up. I will see you in the Q&A. So I was tempting to use that ball joint press, but the ball joint press is not very success, so I had to use traditional way, hammer that thing in bit by bit. I tell you what, after hitting that thing, your arm will get tired. So I switched to a bigger hammer, so it's more force. Take a couple set of pounding, then the bushing went right in. There you go, it is in. Just like that. So if you have a screw jack, you can place that screw jack by the rotor. And you can see at the middle of the screen right there as the top of the screw jack. All you gotta do is just use screw jack, or you don't have a screw jack, you can use the regular jack too. That will work, but the downside to that is you have to work on the ground and whereas you have a screw jack and lift, you work at your height, much comfortable. So then I have my screw jack all the way up, and you can tighten that bushing nut. So all the bushing, here's a tip for you guys. All the bushing or component regarding about suspension, you can always put on the alignment rack, let that thing rest in position, then you tighten it down. That is the proper way to do it. And the second way is you can use a jack and make that into a rest position, then you can tighten the bolt. And you cannot tighten the bolt completely when you don't use those two components to neutral the suspension. Make it like when it's sitting on the ground. So never tighten your suspension bolt when the suspension fully unloaded, because it will ruin your bushing. So that's it, you guys. That's all I have for you guys today, and please remember to hit that like button, and it's really helped me out to grow this channel. And also please hit the subscribe, and it's also helped me too. And that's it. That is all I have for you guys today. Alright, I will see you next time. Luke is out.